Educated and economically independent, escaping poverty. Though God is watching me properly, I fulfill His prophecy in this monopoly. Like the scriptures in Deuteronomy, it's kamikaze, you ride with me. My philosophy was born dead, trapped in the womb, hating the fans. Came out my mother's legs with more intentions than getting bread. With that said, I got a clock in my head, a plastic Glock on my bed. Attempt to stop me and I'm popping the lead. So I desire to rise higher and inspire. These niggas can't stop me like a forest fire. So bring the gasoline and the tires and spark the lighters. I'm walking out the booth like I'm Richard Pryor. I came a long way, but still I gotta go further. I went from chartering flights to throwing shots at the charge. I got the mind of a student at Harvard, and George Washington Carver. Move strategic and proceed. The world is mine. I'm a king destined to shine. I'm on my grind. Revolution inside my bloodline. Money on my mind. Got me focused on my grind. Grip the 9 as I climb to the top until my time. The world is mine. I'm a king destined to shine.